the pressure today?
The funny thing is, like on a day like this, I cannot speak too much with Neil because if I'm not nervous yet, he will make me nervous.
Is it? Yeah.
Yeah, he's crazy.
Is
he
he
needs to
putting pressure?
control his emotions.
Wow.
No, but listen,
He's all the time stressed, and then he asks me a lot of times, like, "Hey, are you ready?" And I'm like, "Neil, you know what?
No, we
I'm
were.
excited. It's a nice game. The
Of course.
atmosphere, the crowd, I enjoy it." And then he gets a little bit
We
calm.
were
but
both lying in
if
our.
you're the wrong person, he's gonna make you nervous.
No. We were both.
But he's just excited, I think.
We were both lying in bed.
Yeah, and
we did a
nervous.
video call, and Tom did. I think Tom was going to take a nap. I was going to take a nap,
Yeah.
and I just said to him, "Okay, tonight, 70,000 people, so much pressure on the game." And he just looked at me and he said, "Neil, I'm really looking forward. And if I would be stressed, I shouldn't play the game." I said, "Yeah." So I'm really happy you are on the pitch and I'm not.
But it's funny because I played it a lot